Hi everyone, this is me, Chen Li from Pure Gold Finance. Do you need extra cash? Pure Gold offer for salary loan for regular employee with flexible terms up to 3 months to 12 months with 4% interest. If you are interested, please follow this video. Paano makapag-avail ng loan kay Pure Gold Finance? Unang-una, kailangan qualified ka muna bago ka mag-proceed sa requirements. Kailangan 6 months ka na sa current company and regular employee status, direct hired. Bago kayo mag-proceed ng requirements para sure approval tayo, okay? Ito yung mga list of requirements na kailangan. COE, company ID, government ID, 1-month payslip, and proof of billing, at isang co-maker. Sa co-maker natin, company ID lang yung kailangan. And here is the sample of computation. With flexible terms, 3 months up to 12 months, 4% interest. At meron tayong processing fee na 2% deducted na yun sa loan nyo. How much is the loanable amount na pwede nyong ma-avail? First availment natin hanggang double 1 month salary. Pero depende pa din sa credit evaluation kung hanggang magkano i-approve sa atin. Okay, ano naman yung mga reason bakit nadi-disapprove kay Pure Gold? Unang-una, kapag hindi ka qualified. Next, may CMAP. Kung nag-aalangan ka, may CMAP ka, pwede tayo magpa-advance CMAP bago ka mag-proceed sa requirements. And next is pending resignation letter. Misleading information. Sample like, nilagay mong address doon ay hindi ka doon nakatira. So, misleading information yun, okay? And falsification of documents. Na how to apply, pwede nyo akong i-message dito sa aking Facebook account, Chenly de la Cruz, o kaya pwede nyo akong tawagan sa aking number. Ayan. Viber and WhatsApp na din siya. I-assist ko kayo kung qualified kayo, saka mag-proceed tayo sa requirements. Paano magpasa ng requirements? Pwede nyo i-send sa akin soft copy, clear copy, through my email, Facebook, or my Viber account, okay? So guys, meron tayong available loan, salary loan for regular employee, 4% interest, doctor's loan, 1.25 interest, OFW loan, 2.5% interest, qualification is 40K basic salary, Siemens loan, 20K basic salary, and Sangla ORCR, car, and Sangla titulo. Okay guys, thank you so much. Bye-bye.